Hi trader, welcome to Elite Currency. This video is on the euro dollar. My name is Chris and let's start now. It's good to be back. We had a small break with videos because we were building a new website. Please check it out on elitecurrency.com. And we're going to be looking at the euro dollar monthly chart first of all, and you can see that there's a bullish bounce occurring, and that has been already for the last few months. Of course, the last 2 months have been accelerating that upside, and price is now seriously testing the 115, 117 resistance region or zone. Now, from my perspective, due to the strong bounce and the break above 113, I do see this as a pivotal kind of moment where the euro dollar might be ending its downtrend and starting an upside ABC zigzag. So from my perspective, pretty interesting spot. Of course, price was in a strong downtrend here, as you can see on the long time frames. You can see here the momentum, the triangle, and the momentum breaking through the triangle. And price lasted for a good downtrend, almost hitting parity and 100. But just before that, we saw a big consolidation. For me, that was a wave 3, so I put a fib from here to here basically, and indeed the 38.2 fib bounce kind of confirmed the wave 4, and price then moved lower. Although the thing is that parity did not get hit. In fact, price didn't even make it that much below this bottom. So I expected personally parity as a target, maybe even below parity, but no way did it ever get close to breaking below 100. In fact, it only got to about 103 and then turned around back up. So what does that mean? That means that this wave 5 could be finished, and therefore we could be in a bigger ABC. It's still fragile, it's still new, but that's the possibility for the moment. Price is testing the short-term moving average, the medium-term average. In fact, the short-term moving average is already bullish, as you can see, and has a upside angle. So from this perspective, after the break of 113, I'm more bullish on the euro dollar. You can see also a good breakout candle, basically retracement and continuation. At the moment, the biggest headache is 115 resistance level, and the momentum is certainly up, and you can see that price has reached the long-term moving average on the weekly chart. The key thing is at the moment, will price break above 115 and continue with the uptrend, or will there be some retracement, perhaps down to 112.50, or maybe 111 or 110, before price makes the turn and back up again? So it's not a question for me whether the euro dollar is bullish at this point. I think that this momentum plus the break above 113 have, for the moment, confirmed that. The question is when and from what level. So let's dive into the daily chart. You can see a couple of days going sideways here like this. So price is cautious at the moment. It's not yet fully breaking through that level, and therefore it's going to be important to see how price breaks through 115. I think that the best is probably to keep an eye on the daily candles like this and to see how basically price is breaking through that level. If there's a good candle close above 115, that to me is the daily breakout candle that I'm looking for. Otherwise, this is all on a downtrend. So any retracement here, I think, should see support levels kick in at around this bottom here, as you can see. Let me make that green so it's a bit more intuitive for viewing. So any break below 113.50 might see some retracement to 112.50 and 111, but then I think that these support levels will be used for a bounce back up. So 4-hour chart, uptrend 2, you can see price is making some kind of triangle here at this moment. So the question is, will it get back down or will it break immediately? At this moment, price is looking like it's breaking. We'll have to keep an eye on this 4-hour candle, I think, before breakout is more confirmed. But there could be a breakout right now. I'm looking at daily candles, however, to monitor that and to see if there's a good breakout candle, just like, for instance, the candle that we had here and on the weekly chart here. Those are good breakout candles. Same thing is valid for the 4-hour chart. But you can see strong uptrend. So the question is a breakout right away or a retracement for more upside later on. So this is the standard template. If we use the SWOT template, you can see here on the 4-hour chart right away, we have different views of looking at it, but this is one of them, and you can see that uptrend very much confirmed on our multiple time frame analysis indicator at the bottom here, and you can see also how neatly the trend is indicated by these moving averages, and of course our special ECS candles giving opportunities for upside trades right there, as you can see. And those have happened pretty neatly and have developed pretty well, and we have one more right here. So let's see how that goes. It's a bit early. I still rather wait for 115, but just to give you an idea of the trend, this particular viewing point, it's pretty clear that the euro dollar is an uptrend. So it's looking for longs. It's either at 113.50, 112.50, or 111, or the immediate breakout. As I said before, check out our new materials on the elitecurrency.com. Also, please check out Facebook and Twitter, where we, of course, regularly send out new information and analysis. And above all, wish you all great trading. Cheers.